How's it going, you guys? This is Aaron Scott shooting this video. This is our newest template that we're going to be adding to the perfect entry trading system, the PET system. This is our bombs template. The reason why we're calling it the bombs template because the indicator actually does show bombs on the chart, the bombs, and congruency with other specifics inside of the system itself is signals that you can take in the market on trend reversals. This is US 30. We're watching US 30 right now on a 1 hour chart. And as you can see, the major push to the upside that happened all day today and Friday. Today is Friday. It is the start of a brand new month. Today is November the 1st, 2019. But notice that the bomb signal happened late yesterday, maybe around 2 o'clock, that the trend, this downtrend that was happening all day yesterday on Thursday, was nearing its end. Not only that, we had confirmations, multiple confirmations. Not going to go into all of the confirmations that's inside of our oscillator, but we had multiple confirmations inside of our oscillator as well. We had a cross, we had a signal here, we had our spike here. So there's multiple confirmations that this trend is about to change from a downtrend to an uptrend. And notice what happened all day today in US 30. I'm going to count this out and measure this out for you guys so you can see from this support level all the way up to where we are now is well over 3,500 pips to the upside on US 30 all in one day. This system works not only for US 30, it works for gold, it works for silver, it works for metals, it also works for Forex pairs as well. But I know there's a lot of people out there trying to trade US 30. This indicator, not only that, it gives you multiple signals inside of the system as well. This actual template actually talks to you. So if you wasn't put in a stop loss or a take profit, if it hits your stop loss, it will say stop loss has been hit. If it hits your take profit, it will also say take profit has been hit. I know some of you may have alerts on your phone or your MT4 where it may make a dinging sound when the signal appears, but this one actually speaks to you. So that's just another awesome or cool feature that I noticed inside of the actual system. But there's multiple confirmations that's going to tell you when to get into the market, when to get out of the market on US 30. But not only that, let's kind of break down what gold has been doing as well. So I'm gonna pull up the chart on gold. This is another template that we have. I have it on an hour chart right now. So let's go ahead and zoom in and see what happened this week in gold. So we had Monday here, just off of this ultimate seller signal here. This is when the market was on Friday. Monday, we saw this impulsive move to the downside on Friday. We started catching this flag right here on Monday. Notice the market gave us a brief retracement signal here. Just knowing how the market operates, I knew that gold was going to drop on Monday or Tuesday. I put a trend line channel here just to catch this flag. And then we caught most of this break to the downside on Monday. Most of us in the group anyway caught this break on Monday. But notice after that, we had buyers signals coming in. We had buyer signals coming in on our oscillators as well. We got the cross of our oscillator here, which was the ultimate or the optimal entry on Wednesday to look for buys in gold, or this trend of a downtrend was nearing its end in Tuesday and Wednesday, and you were able to ride the trend back up from Wednesday all the way up until now. I'm expecting gold to catch a heavy drop next week, whether it's going to be Sunday or Monday. So just look out for that. Look out for a seller's opportunity on gold on Monday, Sunday, between Sunday and Monday, but that's over 300 pips to the upside. Once we caught this, started getting these signals for the buy, we caught our ultimate entry here. This is our ultimate signal here on Wednesday. This is the best signal to get, even though we caught the cross here, even though the system started telling us that the buyers was coming into the market here. We had all type of buyer signals all in this area between Tuesday and Wednesday. Between the oscillator, the chart, we got our spike here, but we got our cross here. Right after we caught the cross, we caught the ultimate buyer's signal here. So we have multiple confirmations that this downtrend is nearing its end, and we need to start looking for buys. Here's the signal, the ultimate signal to get in for a buy, and you would have caught over 300 pips. So hopefully you guys had a wonderful week. We are nearing our end of the beta testing phase. We're going to be doing a soft launch here in November, and by 2020, the official launch of the full Imarketslive Academy and the pet system will be released in 2020. Right now, you still have a small window of opportunity to get inside of our beta testing group. That way you can test out the signal. You can test out the system. You can use the system. You get access to all of the future upgrades, and all you have to do is pay a one-time fee. You're not going to have to pay no monthly fees for the pet system access when we launch. The system itself is well worth the one-time payment on a monthly basis. There's people that are paying $250 to $300 for a one-time fee. When we launch in 2020, we can charge $200 to $300 on a monthly basis. That's how powerful the system is. But I'm here to tell you now, we are not going to be charging $200 a month like some of these other companies out here. We're not here to compete with nobody. We just want to add value, give you the tools, access, and the resources that you deserve so that you can start getting the results inside of the market and inside of your investment account. So with this system, not only are we going to teach you how to use the system, but within the academy itself, we're going to help you diversify your portfolio. We're going to teach you how to read the charts outside of the system. There's a lot of things that happen behind the scenes when it comes to price, technical analysis, and fundamentals. The system is just to give you multiple confirmations. That way you're on the right side of the trade at the right time. Some people jump in the right side of the trade, but they jump in at the wrong time, and they got to deal with all of the drawdown and deal with all of the pressure of their accounts being in the negative. We don't want that to happen to you. With this system, we found ways, confirmations, and strategies. That way, as soon as you're in the market, you're setting your pending orders, and if it goes your way, you're in the market in profit forever. We don't want to see you in drawdown. We want to make sure that if you're jumping into the profit, you're jumping on the right side of the trade at the right time. That way, when the market starts moving, you're in profit immediately or almost immediately. That is the goal, to help you while you're learning. But of course, it may take 6 months, it may take 2 years for you to truly understand how to read the markets without any indicators. I know a lot of people try to frame away from indicators because indicators can lag. They can enable you to where you're not truly a trader, and that is all true. But with the system itself, we don't want you to get stuck on just utilizing the system. In the academy, we're going to teach you about volume price analysis, currency strength analysis, spread analysis, fundamentals, technicals, everything like that, to help you understand the markets, what goes on behind the scenes, and what goes on in the chart. That way you can make wise decisions based off of price alone on how to trade the market. But of course, like I said, that is a skill set, a 7-figure skill set that will take time, energy, and studies. You don't want to have to waste 2 years of your life studying and not getting anything from it. So while you're learning, while you're building your 7-figure skill set, this system is truly just to help you confirm your trades, to make sure that you're on the right side of the trade at the right time. That way you can develop and diversify your portfolio. Not only that, inside of the Imarketslive Academy, we're going to teach you how to create multiple streams of income. I know a lot of people are here because they want to learn how to manifest income or to build income based off of the money that they have. You want the money to make money for you, but of course, that's just one stream of income. If you're trading Forex and Forex alone, you can become a 6 or 7-figure trader trading Forex, but that is just one source of income. We want to teach you how to not only diversify your portfolio where you're making money in all markets, whether it's Forex, stocks, commodities, futures, indices, metals, or cryptocurrencies. Those are 7 different markets that you can diversify your portfolio with. But not only that, we want to teach you how you can develop other streams of income, whether it's in e-commerce, CPA marketing, crypto mining. There's other ways that you can develop sources of income. So if there's 1 week where you decided that you just don't want to trade, that does not mean that your income has to stop. There's other ways that your income can continue to flow into your bank account. All you have to do is develop the skill sets, have the resources and the tools. So inside of the Imarketslive Academy, we're going to teach you multiple ways to not only just diversify your portfolio in the markets, but to help you build multiple streams of income. So hopefully you see the value. Hopefully you're ready, because we do want to accept you into our beta testing group. The doors will be closed sometime in November. That way we can start our soft launch of the Income Investor Academy and gear up for our full launch in 2020. Now is your chance where you can get access to the PET system, the trainings, the tools, the signals, and a few strategies that we have assembled for a one-time fee. This is your small window of opportunity to get grandfathered in. That way you will not have to pay the monthly fee for the PET system access once we launch. If you see the value, if you're tired of losing and you're ready to take your trading to the next level, get in contact with me today so I can get you set up, get ready. You can start utilizing the system right away and hopefully start profiting within your first week of trading utilizing the system. There's people in our group, they're tripling their accounts in a matter of weeks. People that are excited about the system itself, not only system, but like I said, we're continuously upgrading the system. We're adding more and more templates. We're adding more and more tools. Even if I have to pay for the tool myself and give it to the group, you will get it for free. So you're going to get upgrades, you're going to get the signals, you're going to get the training, and we're going to be doing live trading sessions with other people in the group. So imagine if you're a brand new member to the beta testing group, you're just getting your feel of trading and learning the system, but we have over 100-something people in the group that have already been using it for months now. We're going to come together as a community. We're going to share trade setups as a community and come up with the best trading opportunities on a daily basis. So even if you're just starting with the system or inside of the group, you will always have access to those trade setups, and you will be able to ride the wave with other beta testers that's in our community, which is very, very, very powerful. So hopefully you see the value. I got my daughter London crying in the background, so I'm going to cater to her for a minute. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and a wonderful start to your new month in November. Happy trading. I see you guys on the other